Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well. But
what the hell, dude?
We are Siamese.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Ben, let go of Lucy's tail.
He has a butthole.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoe. Went to the park.
Hey, look at them! Look at them! Look! You should be grateful and eat your vegetables!
Yes, that was fun. Do it again.
Okay, give me the toy.
No, the toy is mine. Throw the toy.
I need the toy.
Throw the toy. Give me the toy. Come on. Come on.
Let's go!
What's up, Buster?
Watch out, for real. Buster's a killer.
It's cool, he don't bite.
Get back! Get back!
Just give me chips. Okay, you can have.
Buster Beats! Buster Beats!
Hey, Buster Beats!
What do you say to a pretty girl?
Bailey, can I have my Skittles back? Come on, those are mine. Hey, pussy.
We ran out of data this month.
Serve me. Serve me. Stop tweeting my boyfriend, ho.
Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please?
Oh!
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my.
You don't want my love. You don't want my love. You just want my money, money. Jen! There's a bear on the counter.
Why your booty so big?
You want me to get you something, Daddy?
Hey girl, are you the business?
Really?
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here! Oh, she's stealing! She's stealing! Oh! No, you will love me. Okay.
You want some broccoli? You want some lettuce? You want some chicken?
We stopped, baby duck, but how are we gonna get down the steps? They're not.
Is he still in there? Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer. Are you serious?
Chico.
Hello.
Poltergeist.
I'm going to be honest. I think my dog is part alien. Not even kidding.
Oh, cute doggy.
She looks dusty.
Come here. What? Give me a kiss. Nah, bye, Felicia. You thought you.
Alright, Bilbo, don't let anybody in. Shut the gate! Shut the gate, Bilbo! Shut it! There you go!
I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you're saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring.
Yeah.
What? You don't like my singing? What?
Hole on the couch, 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 lion.
Dear Jesus, please bless this dog and make him less sleepy. I love you. Amen.
Whip game Papa got me getting all these extras. You ain't flexing, boy, man. I think you need.
Wake up, let's go.
I didn't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me.
When your human eats. PETA makes money off animal abuse.
Hey, Max. Say, hey, Vine.
All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating, so won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
Quincy, your favorite show, Scooby-Doo, is on. Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
Hey, Tess. Tess. Pretty girl. Oh.
Quincy, wanna watch a movie? Give me a woohoo! Come here!
White, coca, bricks, rubber mug, ship 'em out. My whole hood truck.
Oh, hell no, mosquitoes. Oh, hell no. Better not be. Dinky!
You gonna go swimming? Where are you going? There's no water. Stupid.
Hey guys, there's a whole bunch of Easter eggs in the back! ¡Ese conejo más loco ya no puede usar ese baño más!
These girls ain't loyal. No, they ain't. Whoa.
Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all.
Let's take a picture.
It's a video. Good boy.
What are those?
You feel so nice. You feel so nice.
So nice! I think someone's here.
Let's do selfie. That's my ear.
Come in! Treat!
Why the fuck you lying? Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say.
It's okay, Buster.
Pipe, there's something we need to tell you. You're adopted.
My honey.
Well, hey there. What kind of dog is it? You look like a mix between a Rottweiler and German Shepherd, aren't ya? Big old vicious guy.
Hey, Stu. You wanna play hide and seek? Here I come.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey, yeah, you break her heart, I'll cut your dick off.
I'm back!
If you keep scratching me, you're gonna get Lion King'd again.
Let's have some fun, this beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on your disco stick.
Boom for two! Hut! 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 Grin!
Beats. I got beats. I got beats.
Do you think I look like Wednesday Addams? Do you think I do?
Look, it's a dandelion.
So beautiful.
Stop, you gonna make me fart.
Bitch, what?
Fart.
Nasty.
Sarah Lee, oh, look at him. Look at he's
he's gonna do some bad things. Oh my gosh.
I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. Plus I keep the nana real sweet for your eating. Yes, yes, you eyebrows on fleek.
But
You got a little butt?
please, can I come up the stairs? Please, just.
Okay, please. I just went. It's okay.
Both have really good personalities too.
You're in doggy jail. Sorry.
Hey Jamal, what do you want to do?
Get off! Shit! Damn! Go, Marley! Go! Go! Go, Marley! Go, Marley! Pew pew.
Aw, your dog's so cute.
Oh,
How
thank
old
you.
is he?
He's actually 120 next month.
What?
Yeah, he's an old guy.
There's no way.
Walk, walk, fashion, baby, work it, move that bitch crazy. Walk, walk, fashion.
Friendship goals.
It's okay, we're good friends, right?